First is open browser, then type TESDA BSRS. Click the link, TESDA BSRS, then log in your email address and password. Hit sign in. After that, click verify. Then that is your dashboard. Hit the third icon in your dashboard and then enroll to a program. Program enrollment. Click all institution. Type your desired school, Davao Oriental Polytechnic Institute. Click the Lupon campus. Hit filter. After that, you see the following programs available in this institution. Then click the pen icon, desired program, then register now. Then fill up the following: education, qualification, and disability. Proceed to enrollment. As you see, you're successfully enrolled. Click the third icon again and then wait for approval. And that's it. Log out your account.